This video will show you how to install Feit electric LED recessed downlights with an integrated junction box. These lights are designed for finished ceilings without recessed cans. Before installation, turn off the power at the switch and breaker panel. On select downlight models, you can set the desired color temperature pre-install on the fixture, or adjust after install at any time after with the flip of a light switch. Refer to your user manual for more detail. Ensure that the space above the installed fixture will be at least 3 inches and the ceiling thickness is 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. Cut an opening in the ceiling as round as possible using a recessed lighting hole saw. Refer to the instruction manual for your fixture to determine the diameter of the hole. On the junction box, carefully remove the knockout with a screwdriver or punch. Open the junction box cover. Feed the power wire into the knockout hole. Secure the wire using non-metallic cable connectors. Using the Wago connector, connect the white neutral wire from the power line to the white wire from the fixture. Link up the black 120-volt hotline to the black wire in the junction box. Refer to your user manual to determine if your fixture needs to be grounded. To ground the fixture, connect the green or striped green-yellow wire from the fixture to the copper or green wire from the power line. If your fixture does not need to be grounded and you have a ground wire from an existing fixture, you can connect it to an extra wire nut. After connecting the wires, double-check the connection. First, ensure a sufficient amount of wire is visible through the clear shell. Hold the Wago connector with one hand and gently pull at the inserted wires. If the wires do not disengage, you have a stable connection. Close the junction box cover. Squeeze the clips and gently push the downlight up into place until it is flush with the ceiling.